Before you ask a customer to come to the dealership to meet with you, you should have given them your name and gotten theirs. You may have answered some questions over the phone or via text or email about vehicle pricing and availability, or provided information in response to finance questions. The point is that you have laid the foundation for the customer to like you by being transparent, providing valuable information, and demonstrating that you are genuinely happy and excited to take great care of them. You've shown them that you are a product expert and that your top priority is to serve them and to help them make the best decision possible as far as which car to buy. All these things set the stage for setting strong appointments that show up. If you attempt to schedule an appointment without having a valuable conversation with a customer, there's a slim chance that the customer will commit to come to the dealership to meet with you. If they do, you'll have a high rate of appointment no-shows. When you ask for an appointment without providing any value beforehand, you confirm the customer's belief that you only care about one thing, and that is selling a car. In other words, you really don't care about their needs and what they're hoping to accomplish.